kept your love in secret.
Pangalan ito, Dok? Wala.
Like a prayer behind my tongue.
Maganda, oh. Grabe.
Like a flame inside a closed hand. That kept burning through the cold. I kept your love in secret.
Oo, ang ganda nito. Bigat po yan.
Safe from all the careless world.
Wow.
Darling,
Ay, diyan siya mo. Grabe. Ay, grabe. Thank you po, Mama Naling. Dito ko na lang gamitin. Hindi magagamit Singapore eh. Ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Ganda, grabe. Sa akin to, bro. Stick. Opa. Oo.
Yung mo na, suotin mo na.
Bagay.
Umaga ka sa Baguio.
Kaya nga. Sayang. Ay, grabe sa akin na ito. Thank you. Thank you po. Dami ah. Salamat po ha. Kaso nakakaya. Kaya nakanood lahat kayo eh. Lo, huwag ka maingit lo ha. Grabe.
crowded rooms and borrowed smiles.
Salamat po.
Through careful words and steady hands.
Ano to? Laptop? iPhone? iPhone.
Carried you like hidden gold.
Ayan o.
Like something only heaven
Ganda.
understands.
Nakita kung ano to.
I kept your love in secret.
Ang damit yata ito ah. Bag. Photo guys.
Like
Photo.
a
Legit.
prayer behind my
Legit size photo.
tongue.
Ay grabe. Ang ganda. Sa...
Like a flame inside a closed
Ganda
hand.
guys oh.
Kept burning through the cold. I kept your love in secret. Safe from all the careless world.
Leggings guys. Leggings.
Darling,
Ay grabe.
what
Sa
I
Paris pa.
never shouted
Ganda. Ganda. Oh, yan.
was the deepest thing.
Sana all.
Yeah.
Sana all at sea.
Salamat po.
Ito po. Meron po.
Ha? Okay.
Marami po mga
Mamahalin to ah.
There's a letter in my
Salamat na
dressing
Airmo.
drawer.
premium package.
Words I never dared to say.
Sakalam ka talaga.
There's a
Wow.
trace of you inside.
Bisaw.
Ano to?
Ang laki
Time
Oh,
could never truly spend.
ang bira na to.
Jacket.
When the evening turns to gold,
Kakaiba to ah. Ganda.
every house begins to glow.
Varsity jacket bro. Varsity.
Winter jacket.
Ayaw nga, ang ganda.
All the years and
Wala akong kusahin na ulit sa Baguio.
Japan. Ang Japan yan. Ang Japan.
tenderness I could not show. Oh, I kept your love
Salamat. Salamat po.
like a prayer behind my
Ano
tongue.
to?
Bahay na may package.
Like a flame inside a closed hand.
Order, grabe guys. Mukhang mawala trabaho si Doc ha.
Burning through the cold. I kept your love in secret. Safe from all the careless
Tulog.
darling. What I never shouted
Dalawang linggo ata yun. Dalawang linggo sa Japan.
Ano ba to?
was the deepest
Pambabae to.
thing I know.
dapat na.
If one day this soul heart is open, they'll find you lying inside. Not a passing wish, not more of a longing, but a vow.
Ganda yan. Ganda ka.
Ayan, suotin mo yan. Ayan.
Salamat po.
I kept your love in secret. Through years, through every change,
Pinaro to.
like a room lit by one candle.
Pinaro to outfit sa anak ko nasa Japan.
Never let the dark remain.
Salamat po.
Tita Annalyn.
I kept your
Sige po kay Tita Annalyn Rollins.
Galing, grabe po. Kala ko na.
but it shaped
Grabe yung aligaro na. Kala ko na wala ka na. Kaya nga eh.
darling.
Ganun.
I could not give the world. Was the love that made me.
Uy! Wow!
Grabe.
I kept you.
Huwag mo masyado pakatitigan, baka masunaw.
Ganda po guys. Salamat po.
My love.
Salamat po. Ma'am
I
Annalyn.
kept you.
Salamat po
Sige po,
sa
Tita
lahat. Sa
Annalyn
lahat.
Rollins. Opo,
Sa lahat.
po. Nagbigay po.
Grabe.
OTD na kayo dito.
Dito na lang natin gamitin to.
Sige po. Bagas ba?
Malamig din naman ng konti eh. Pag mga vlog.